I made a little change in one of the watch lists that I'm going to show you, the FAANGM watch list. I changed the N from Netflix to Nvidia. Nvidia is more than twice the size of Netflix. I don't think Netflix is really the powerhouse it used to be. Don't get me wrong, it's a powerhouse in entertainment, streaming, and all that. That hasn't changed. But as far as a leadership stock goes, it's just not doing it for me anymore. So here's Nvidia. The stock is right near its all-time high of 775. Stock is up over 45% year to date, but its market cap is $474 billion. You see that? $474 billion. Netflix is like $227 billion. Netflix is not the streaming powerhouse it was. It's a powerhouse in its own right, but now it's competing against others like Disney Plus.